that looks better than a caramel apple.
Should we carve it?
Well, if you were saying we, meaning you, sure.
Okay.
My tip is the electric knife.
No!
Yes.
So what I like to do is I like to use a baster.
I always clip off all of the wing, or at least the tips of the wings. I put those with the giblets, cook those with caramelized vegetable and water to add to your drippings or your base gravy.
What I like to do is I actually like to make a slit between the breast and the legs.
Right.
Okay, and then I like to take the breast right off of the bone.
You're just gonna work your way down the breast. I mean, that is kind of...
It really does.
That is sexy.
I'm just going to run my knife directly along that breastplate again, and then at the bottom there, you sort of turn your knife. Then, using a fork or your fingers, you sort of just separate the meat from the bone.
Now you have the whole breast in your hand.
Beautiful.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
And we're gonna cut nice thick slices right through the skin. And you wanna keep the breast together.
Now you want to get your legs, and you just want to kind of break away. And see how simple that is? It's been roasted, so everything's sort of falling off the bone.
And you can see where the joint is.
And you can see where the joint is. It's right in there. You just want to sort of pop that out.
I'm gonna show you the magic of the turkey. Turn the turkey over, and right in this cavity,
This is called the oyster.
and this is the most tender piece of the entire turkey.
When it comes to the legs, what I like to do is sort of just follow it around with your knife and just let that pop out of the little piece there.
Some people just love the drumstick, so I keep that whole. The thigh meat, I actually take the skin off, just sort of pull it as if it was like
Into
pulled
big old
pork.
chunks.
When your turkey comes out of the oven, you should let it rest for about an hour because you want the juices to cool down.
So then you have the dark meat, you have the white meat, and then you have the beautiful drumsticks at the same time.
Thanksgiving!